Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to export your Figma files as a PDF, whether you need a single-page document or a multi-page PDF. If you want to export just one frame, for example a poster or a single slide, start by selecting the frame on your canvas. Then go to the right sidebar and scroll down to the Export section. Click the plus icon to add export settings. Change the format from PNG to PDF, and then click Export. Your file will download as a single-page PDF. If you want to export multiple frames into one combined PDF, Figma can do that automatically. First, make sure your frames are properly organized on the canvas because Figma arranges the PDF pages based on their position, usually from top to bottom and left to right. Then go to the main menu in the top left, click File, and choose Export Frames to PDF. Select where you want to save the file, and Figma will generate a multi-page PDF with all your frames combined. If you need more advanced control, you can use community plugins. Tiny Image Compressor helps reduce the final PDF file size. PDF Advanced Export allows you to preserve selectable text and customize page order. Pitch Deck is great if you want to create interactive PDF presentations with working links. One important note, when exporting individual frames as PDF from the Export section, Figma may convert text into vector outlines, making it non-selectable. If you need the text to remain selectable and copyable, it's better to use the Export Frames to PDF option from the File menu. And that's it. That's how you export clean, professional PDFs directly from Figma.